Now we've looked at the icon menu itself. What we're going to look at now is the icon menu wizard. Now, different drawing, icon menu wizard.dwg. So it's a right click on the project, add the active drawing. Yes to that. And there's icon menu wizard there. We'll right click on it, properties, drawing properties, and as usual, make sure our sheet is sequential in our project. So that's done. Now, the icon menu wizard is not on the schematic panel in the Insert Components panel here. As you can see, it's there, icon menu. That's where you use the standard icon menus. You need to go to the Schematic tab here, come over here to Other Tools, and there's our icon menu wizard right there. Now, the first thing it does when you click on it is it asks you what menu file you want to use. Now you can browse for a menu file, and as you can see there are other menu files available. Now I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to stick with the one we've got. There's a schematic menu file and there's also a panel menu file. I'm going to go with the schematic. There you go, ACEIEC menu, that one there. So I OK that, and it looks remarkably familiar, doesn't it? Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to miscellaneous, and I'm going to go to user circuits right there. So there's some user circuits already in the drawing there. Can you see that? Now I'm going to go to add, and I want to add a circuit. So I go add circuit, like so. Now the name of this circuit, I'm going to call it icon menu wizard, because it's going to be the circuit in our drawing. Now the image file that I need to use, I can either browse or pick. If I go pick here, I can select the block. So I can select something like this. Can you see that? So I can select the block. So if I click and drag, does that allow me to select it? No, it doesn't. If I browse here, I can browse for a PNG file that I might be able to use. Or if I go active, now this is where it gets clever. It creates a PNG from the current screen image. So if I go zoom now, and just double click and zoom in and out here, can you see that? I can actually place the screen image like so. Once that's placed, I right click and exit, and it takes me back in there. So there's the image file, and it creates a PNG for me. Now the circuit name to insert, what's the file name going to be? Well, let's be sensible. We'll call it icon menu wizard again, just to avoid any confusion. So that's all in place. So I OK that now, and there's my icon menu wizard circuit. So that's been added. So that's in there now. And if I OK that, that is now added to the icon menu itself. So I just drag that along there a little bit. If I go to icon menu now, and I go miscellaneous just here, user circuits, there's my icon menu wizard there. What scale do I want it? I'll go for 1. I'll update that, and there it is. Specify an insertion point, so I want the end point of our existing circuit there. And I'll drop that just here. Now you'll see there, it does look a bit strange initially, and it has come in a weird place. Now the reason it's done that is because that's where that was located in the drawing where I took the icon menu wizard circuit from. It's no problem, I can click there, right click, I can move that. If I zoom in now to find a base point, shift and right click and just do the end point. It's no real problem, because what I can do now is come down here, just use the zoom tools on the wheel on the mouse, come in here like that, shift and right click again, end point again, drop it there, job done. So there's my circuit. So that's how you utilize your icon menu wizard. You can actually add new images, new blocks, and bring them into your electrical drawing like so.